If you're looking for a cake printer that can take your baking creativity to new heights, then the impressive Better's Topper Cake Image Printer is definitely worth exploring. Are you wondering how to add that perfect finishing touch to your culinary creations? This review will delve into the standout features that make Better's Topper shine. In today's era of culinary artistry, Better's Topper proves to be a reliable companion. Discover how it elevates your cake decoration game, ensuring that your desserts become the centerpiece of any occasion. The Better's Topper Cake Image Printer empowers you to elevate your cake decorating game with its new and improved edition, designed for cake image purposes. This wireless printer boasts a bigger size, enhanced durability, and top-notch quality, making it a standout choice for bakeries and passionate cake decorators. With a 5-pack of PGI 280XL/CLI 281XL cartridges, it ensures vibrant and high-quality prints, with 2 black cartridges for added depth and precision. The printer is committed to delivering top-notch quality, extending even to the materials provided for your bakery. The premium sugar frosting sheets, 25 counts, in A4 size, 8.5 inches by 11 inches, are perfect for creating intricately detailed and visually stunning cake toppers. Take your designs to the next level with our 10-color set of food coloring decoration markers, allowing you to add a personal and unique touch to your edible creations. The printer offers versatile options for cakes of various sizes and designs, accommodating a maximum input sheet capacity of 200 and a sheet size of 8.5 by 11 inches. With its compact and functional design, measuring 13.8 by 7.5 by 17.3 inches and weighing a manageable 17.4 pounds, it combines convenience and efficiency. The Topper Cake Image Printer by Better's is the ultimate choice for confectioners, combining precision and innovation. This state-of-the-art printer is an indispensable tool for crafting delectable edible masterpieces, distinguishing itself from competitors in the realm of cake printing technology. So, if you are interested in this printer, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it right now.